Welcome back, guys. In the last lecture we have completed how to add the movie from the admin panel, right? So now in this lecture we are going to list the added movies in a table here. So we know what are the columns available for that movies collection, which are nothing but the model only. So all these has to be appeared on the table. So first let me go to the movies list. Here you can see this is the movies list. So bottom of this button, so first we should have the table. So this will be separate, that means this model pop-up will be conditionally rendered. So here we need to have the table. So first, to populate the table we need to have the columns. So I'm just writing it here, const columns is equal to, so basically we'll have movie name, which is nothing but the title. So we already know this is movie. Why movie name, movie description? We can simply have name, description, language or duration, genre, language, and I think next one will be release date. So this will be, we are going to render normally with the help of the moment render text.record. So I can simply write moment of, let me go and import this, moment of record.release date and ddmm y. Perfect. Think I'm good. So the next one will be actions. So poster is not required here. So actions data action. Let's leave the action as it is for the time being. We will add the delete icon and edit icon later once we got the data. So now here I'm going to write table from the entity. I'll pass columns is equal to columns, data source is equal to movies. Let's see. Here you can see we got everything now: name, description, duration, genre, language, release date, action. So we have everything ready. I think we need some gap also. For this I'm going to write MB1. Yeah, so now you have some space here. Perfect. Now we just need to write one use effect to get the data. Go to the API calls and check whether we have get all movies. Get all movies. So const response is equal to await axios instance dot get /API /movies /get all movies. Perfect. Go to the movies route and create the route for this. Get all movies. Try movies dot find response dot send success true. Movies fetched successfully. Data should be movies. Catch block response dot send success false. Error message. Close it. Perfect. I think we are good with the get all movies, and go to the movies list, and here also we need to call that const get data is equal to async. So first let's close this out. Try cache blocks, const, we need to have the dispatch things. Const dispatch is equal to use dispatch, and then dispatch show loading, and then const response is equal to await get all movies. If response dot success, set movies response dot data, else throw the error message and hide loading. Perfect. Even in the cache block also hide loading and throw the error message. Hide loading is not imported, message is also not imported, I believe. Let's import it. Perfect. So everything seems to be perfect, and in the use effect I'm going to call this, just call get data. Yep. Okay, so let's go here. Awesome. So here you can see we got the data. Refresh. Avatar, JCW, duration 120, action, English, release date, action. Perfect. Now let's go to the what I can say, actions. So we need the actions, right? These actions should be render. The action should be render. So we can have the normal icons, or else if you want to put it as the icons, that's up to you. So go to the remix icons, remix icon, click this. So we need the edit icon and delete icon. First I need the edit. Copy, come here and put return dot flex dot gap 1. So this is the edit, and we also need the delete. Copy, put the delete. Awesome. Here also it should be class name. Yeah, so you got the edit and delete. So let's go to the UI ones. This is the I element, right? So for I element I'm going to write some custom CSS, which are nothing but the icons. I'm going to write font size 25px. 25 is too high. Let's make it 22. Or else 20. Yeah, 20 is better. So delete and edit. If you want, I can pass the colors also. So go to the theme.css. Okay, so bg primary, bg secondary, and bg error, which is nothing but red color, and also dot bg warning. BG warning is almost similar to our theme only, but we will do some light color kind of. Yeah, so go to the movies list. So this should be BG warning, I think. Sorry, this should be BG delete and BG warning. I think it won't work out. I elements will take the text classes, I think color property. Let's check. Yeah, it won't work out. So let's ignore this for the time being. Later we will do it. So if you want, you can have like this: style color is equal to red. Here style color is equal to blue. Yes, so these are fine, but somehow it is not matching with our theme, so let's get deleted. Yeah, so in the next lecture we are going to work on the edit functionality. Thank you.